The vitamin C levels are fluctuating too much. We need to stabilize the mix.
I'm adjusting the flow rate.
The levels on manifold 7 are fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Reroute the flow to auxiliary tank B immediately.
The analysis confirms the enhanced potency.
This batch exceeds the safety parameters. We must proceed with caution.
The quantities are exact. The readout confirms the formula.
Acknowledged. Initiating the next phase of the mixture.
All parameters are within tolerance. Okay, easy now. Set it down right there.
Confirm.
A look behind the scenes reveals the sheer scale of operations, a blend of human expertise and robotic precision.
The viscosity profile is excellent.
Confirmed. The texture...
The taurine structure is stabilizing, but the caffeine levels are fluctuating.
Wow, this is exactly what I needed.
Batch 7 confirmation complete. All parameters are optimal.
Excellent. Reroute the shipment manifest to Sector 4.